Hello everybody, Jonathan Doucette here at St.Albert Dodge. Hope you have an amazing day. Just wanted to show off and showcase a fresh from the factory, right from Michigan, 2022 Ram 1500. It's a Laramie Longhorn. So it's kind of the Western theme of the truck. Longhorns and Limiteds kind of go neck and neck. This same interior, same leather quality, same real wood accents. Just more of the Western theme as opposed to a black interior. Up front though, we'll start up here. As you can see, it's a billet silver metallic. Absolutely gorgeous color with the chrome. It's got a nice contrast. I've always liked silver trucks with a little bit of chrome. Hope you do too. Chrome grille, chrome eye surround or headlight surrounds. But we do have the body color bumper group. So your bumpers and front and rear are painted to match the rest of the truck. The headlights on here too as well. They're LEDs, which is not super uncommon on a lot of vehicles these days. But if you have halogen bulbs from an older Ram, you'll notice a massive improvement in your light quality. But there's another etching on here. It's called the Dynamic AFS by LED. So essentially what that does is when you turn your steering wheel around a corner, your lights actually turn with your steering wheel in your steering direction. So they give you an extra, few feet or few degrees of viewing angle with light. It's really handy on a dark night that your lights will pivot and illuminate the way that you're going, give you a little more information if there's a deer or something in the road. Just a couple seconds later earlier could help save an accident. Parking sensors front and rear. We do have the 22-inch rims. So we have the beautiful big rims. It looks real nice stance on the truck. Matches well with the truck as well too, of course, as you expect that from the factory. And then, absolutely beautiful rims. Take a look inside, just as a sneak peek as we're walking by. And we'll get back to that in a moment. We'll go over some of the real wood accents that are on there, not just the plastic veneer, but wheel to wheel steps as opposed to cab length steps. So easy to get access in and out of the box. Take a look at this key. Longhorn's got the gold emblem on it. Nice Longhorn badge to match the rest of your truck. But you do have lock, unlock, remote start, panic, and of course your tailgate. So it's currently in ship mode, so I can't show it to you. I can press the button all day long. It's not going to do anything. Just coming off the truck, we have to get it in the shop, and they take it out of ship mode. So, but it's got the easy out down tailgate. So when you double push the button, that'll come down easy. Very handy. Do have the bed light group. I think this should work. But you got LED lights. I'm sorry, it doesn't. LED lights in both sides of the box. So there's a button here. Push the button, it'll turn these two on. So if you have a tonneau cover on, very easy to work in the back of your truck. And also, if you push the button, it'll turn your third brake light on. So I've been camping or doing some things, I'll push the button, it'll turn on for a few minutes and then illuminate the whole campsite area. It's a really nice feature to have. And then the tailgate super light, it's like 2 fingers to push it up. There's a spring system in there that makes it very light. And of course, it's a different material, so it's lighter as well. 2-inch hitch receiver, 7-way, 4-way plug, backup camera. If you're towing, it's all ready to go. Like I said, backup camera help you hitch up. Sliding rear window, nice option to have. And I didn't even mention the spray and bed liner, but options that you want on your truck. I'm going to go down to the other side and showcase the back seat. So it's got a completely flat floor all the way across. That was one of the new body style redesigns, if you will. And then easy up seats. Oop. Yeah, there we go. Lift them up. Perfect. The Longhorn Mats are something special too. They have Berber carpet inserts. They're all weather. You can take out the center sections and then just use the rubber all year round. And then of course you have your flip out cargo compartment. One thing that I like, the passengers should say, back here is it actually has its own center console. And you can see this handle. We'll talk about that handle in a second. Yeah, so nice center console, cup holders, little storage compartment if they have some odds and ends on a road trip they can bring with them. But what's really neat is that the handle that I just showed you is down here. So you pull your handle, kind of scoot your bum forward, and then your rear seat reclines on both sides. Pretty handy. And then the outside 2 seats are heated. 3 car seat anchors back here. So with my truck, my daughter is always in the middle. And then the wife or whomever can sit on the outside as well too. But very spacious, roomy. Ram bins underneath here. Good place to keep tie straps and bungee cords. 400 watt inverter, so you get an inverter plug-in the back. and up front. We'll show you that, and it's kind of a nice shot of the real wood accents. So on the console and the door, we'll take a look up front. The cup holder cover and everything, and coin holder cover is all real wood as well too. The steering rail is real wood. New for 2022, they went to a satin matte finish versus a gloss finish. I like that quite a bit. It's really handy. Sorry, really sharp looking. And then this is a real wood burned brand, if you will, into the wood. They do that on the Longhorn. Looks really cool. Push the button, the little double glove box feature is very handy as well. Yeah, they call this cattle tan and black. Smells great in here. It smells like, leather has a distinctive smell. It lasts for a long time. I've been in Longhorns, 5, 6, 7, 8 years old. They still have that smell as long as you're not a smoker. You're going to have that Longhorn smell and that leather smell in this truck for a long, long time. USB ports, a ton of them, tons of storage. Slides back, gives you some versatility, good place for your phone. And then there's another 120 volt inverter plug-in down here, so 400 watts over 2 plugins. And then your USB Type 2 and Type C. Automatic 4x4, cruise control, power locks, power windows, Sirius XM Guardian, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. The 12-inch screen's kind of the star of the show. The software is so easy to use. It's got wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. I should point that out as well. I have a 2020. I got to plug in my phone in order to get the Apple CarPlay. This one, your phone's in your pocket. It'll project all your apps on here. You can use your virtual assistant, say, "Hey Google" or "Hey Siri," and very, very intuitive. So if you use that, you'll, makes the driving experience really, really something else. Come down, take a look, take it for a test drive. My number is 780-952-3018. It's my cell. Call me day or night.